Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Astika Pamujiningtyas. You can call me Astika. My name is P32200010018. In this video, I will reading my assignment 1 to finishing my assignment 2. Okay, chapter 1. Writing skill about accounting definition. Accounting is the process of recording financial transactions pertaining to a business. The accounting process includes summarizing, analyzing, and reporting these transactions to oversight agencies, regulators, and tax collection entities. The financial statements used in the accounting are a concise summary of financial transactions over an accounting period, summarizing a company's operation, financial position, and cash flow. Accounting is a science that deals with calculating system, but in fact, accounting is a process that is not simple. Various theories themselves have been put forward regarding the meaning of accounting. Various theories develop along with more and more people who want to learn it, considering that the science of accounting system provides various conventions is carrying out activity. 1. Financial Accounting Standard Board. Starting the accounting is a service activity that provides quantitative information which is then used for economic condition making. 2. Big Indonesian Dictionary. Accounting is the theory and practice of accounting, including responsibility principles, standards, customs, and all activities. Include matters relating to accounts, the art of recording and summarizing financial transactions, and the effect of the transaction on the economic entity. Chapter 2. Writing skill about accounting data. The basic task of accounting is to supervise, calculate, and make reports of an agency company are not on time. Profession makes someone use his experience in the field of accounting to work. Accountants' core responsibility are typically to prepare and examine financial records, assuring information is up to date and accurate. However, you called specialists in the particular are such as forensic accounting or taxation, or focus on more specific area of a company financial department. 1. Counting ability. The first skill you must have when you want to become on accounting is numeracy. The skill is very important because the world of accounting will be related to finance and numbers. 2. High focus and concentration. Must have high focus and concentrations because if you don't have a high focus, there can be a calculation error that the result is harming to the company. 3. Data analysis ability. In the financial function, the main task of the accountant is to provide financial statement data to the board with historical data that can be used in the decision making. 4. Business understanding. Understand business chain, including business strategy and everything else related to the company business. 5. Communication. A good accountant must have good communication skill because he will deal with many people, especially company officials. 6. Computer science. Must master computer science, must be proficient in the operation various software used to manage company financial data. 7. Attention to detail and thorough. The job of accountant is a job that really must be done carefully, must have a meticulous attitude and have attention to smallest details of your work. Everything that can be done will give accurate result. 8. Logic ability. Jobs in the accounting field are not jobs that rely on assumption but require logic. 9. Honest and open attitude. As the accountant who manage company finance, you must be honest and open about the work you do. 10. Systematic thinking ability. The work of an accountant must be carried out systematically and in the accordance with company procedures so that there are no mistakes when you do the work. Chapter 3. Writing skill in describing various careers in accounting. 1. Accounting professions. The accounting profession is a profession that is needed by every company, especially large company. 2. Internal auditor profession. The internal is a charge of internationally checking or auditing the company of the benefit of the company management. The auditor is tasked with ensuring that the results of the financial statement are in accordance with the original. In addition, the internal auditor has been obligation to ensure that the management is performed in duty function essentially for the progress of the company. 3. Public accountant profession. It can be said that the opposite in internal auditor who audits the inside of the company, while a public accountant is an independent party from outside company whose job is to audit financial statement. 4. Tax accountant. Tax accountant is an accountant in charge of calculating of tax value of a company, but not only calculating the tax that must be paid, but also analyzing that, providing advice to management so that the price of tax to be paid to the government can be minimized but does not cheat the regulation. 5. Government accountant. Government accountants are accountants who work in the government. Its main task is to prepare financial reports, or you can also audit every government agency at various levels of governmental level. 6. Educator accountant. The last is educator accountant. Educator accountants, the accountants in charge of providing material in the classroom or outside the classroom. Simply put, educator accountants are lecturers or teachers who teach subject or courses on the accounting. Chapter 4. Writing skill about explaining some private accounting jobs. The accounting jobs a private accountant depends on the size of the company in which you work. In the large companies, accounting may be assigned to the general record of the all transaction and transaction accountant payable, payrolls, and tax. However, a common task that a private accountant usually performs is the setting up an internal system for recording business transactions that will help information the company's financial statement. Private accountants also review internal business documents and work with financial managers to plan budgets and evaluate fiscal performance. Private accountants must ensure the financial transactions are accurate and current. Accountants may even review financial reports, profit data analysis, and credit card reports. A private accountant tend to have a limited range of knowledge on one industry and the accounting field for which he responsibility. The main goals of the personal accounting include setting up an internal system for recording business transactions, which will help information the company financial statement. 1. A private accountant works toward the benefit of a specific company. Additionally, the third party Public accounting firms are the ones who review and audit the financial statement prepared by the private accounting professional. 2. Work of a private accountant revolves around setting up internal system, which including the recording of business transaction that is eventually the basic for the preparation of the financial statement. 3. The validation by the third party is an independent assessment to ensure to the that private internal accounting practice meet reporting standard. Okay, thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.